Now, limestone is a difficult one once you get into sedimentary. I think it's easy to get it into sedimentary. I think on the outside you can see it looks fairly weathered. It doesn't look like there's any crystals or glass, but it does fall apart. You can see bits and pieces just falling off, even when I'm being delicate with it. So that puts it into sedimentary. But as I've said in some previous videos, you have to break rocks apart to see what's on the inside because there's always weathering on the outside. And so you can see lots of little broken pieces, rocks or minerals, and they're quite soft because they fall apart and they don't scratch. So they're sedimentary. If you could see crystals, I think you'd still get to sedimentary quite safely. Now that we're in sedimentary, we come to the stage where we either have to decide what sort of pieces they are. And so the only real answer to that one is to put hydrochloric acid to it. If you look under the microscope, they don't really look like a mixture of different types of particles. They all look like they're the one sort of chemical. It's not black, so we'll just write off coal. It could be some of these ones, but it does look a little bit calcitey, but I wouldn't trust any of those. They'd look very similar. So I've got a little bit carried away with the two Z's here, fizz. But adding hydrochloric acid, if it looks like it's just a pure chemical, if it looks suspiciously like calcite, throw HCl on there. And that's the only way I can really tell. There's no other way to really know that it's calcite and it's not one of these ones. Okay, so all of these other ones won't react with HCl and give you that fizz.